If you're a thick-thighed girly going on Euro summer holidays, you want to listen up. You don't have to limit yourself to only wearing long, loose pants to avoid chafe on your holiday. These are the best kept secret in women's underwear ever. They are made from bamboo, so they wick away sweat, they're anti-chafe, they're so comfortable and breathable. Like, look how much stretch there is in here. That is room for pasta for days. And honestly, these are just so comfortable. You can walk your 20,000, 30,000 steps a day wearing these. You can wear them out at night underneath your cute outfits. And because they've got a wide waistband, they're nice and smoothing, and they actually look amazing underneath all of those cute little resort wear outfits that you've got planned. But you don't have to suffer wearing shapewear. And no, it's not the same as just layering with shorts, because these underwear have got a gusset, so they can hold a winged pad. They're actually designed as underwear. You don't have to layer anything else underneath. Which means the only reason that I have to pack any Lycra shorts is for any of the planned workouts that I'm going to do on my holiday. And let's be real, these aren't going to make it out of the suitcase. So I'm literally packing one of these for every day because I couldn't live without them.